What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today is another monumental day in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, everything. The spot Ethereum ETF was launched today. That's a great monumental day that you guys will keep in your mental calendar. July 23rd, just like we got January 10th on our mental calendar, was the day the spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved. Today, July 23rd, is the day the spot Ethereum ETFs were launched. Now today, there were a total of 8 Ethereum ETFs that was launched. That's huge. Like I say, a monumental day. We know there was 11 ETFs that was launched with the Bitcoin spot Bitcoin ETF some months back. So shouts out to Ethereum, shouts out to the entire cryptocurrency community. We are making progress as we continue to push and make cryptocurrency become mass adopted. Now, currently right now, Bitcoin is at 65,900 bucks. Just a little small pullback. We had hit $68,000. Like I say, nothing goes up in a straight line. So $68,000. We dipped down 65,900. We're just getting ready to pull out and continue to head back in the upward direction. Took a little bit of a breather. That is about it. But Bitcoin is going to continue to go in the upward direction. I believe we're going to make higher highs, surpassing the $73,000, $74,000 mark. Now the Bitcoin dominance, 54.2, excellent level. Ethereum is just trading sideways right now. Ethereum like, yeah, I know. The spot Ethereum ETF got launched today. Yeah, I know. Ain't no big deal. Ethereum dominance still at 17.4. But you best believe Ethereum will have its breakout. Just when you're least expecting it, Ethereum is going to be up 30-40% in one day. We saw Ethereum name service had a little bit of a pump today, up 15-20%, which is excellent. Like I say, Ethereum name service, Ethereum Classic will be huge catalyst pumping off of the positive Ethereum ETF news. Now the Fear and Greed Index is at 60. The Fear and Greed Index is amazing. It's kind of funny to watch this thing go up and go down. The sentiment is just all over. Folks are not stable. Folks don't really understand what's going on. But any little bit of dip in Bitcoin, you see the Fear and Greed Index starts to dip. But we love it because that just gives us a longer chance to dominate in the market before we get to the extreme greed numbers where it's 88, 89, 90. So hey, a 60 Fear and Greed Index is great, especially when Bitcoin is at 65,900, $66,000. We'll take it. But let's go ahead and get to the coin of the day. The coin of the day is none other than Turbo Meme Coin. Turbo Meme Coin is probably one of my favorite meme coins. We've been in this meme coin for such a long time. We've already made a lot of money in Turbo Meme Coin, and we understand the characteristics of Turbo Meme Coin because we've been in this coin for such a long time. We understand when it goes up, how it goes up, how to react, when to take profit, what to expect, because Turbo Meme Coin have been doing the same thing like clockwork, in and out, up and down. Now, Turbo Meme Coin is currently the number 211th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. It is starting to grow. It's starting to break out. We're in the top 100, top 200, 211. So soon we'll be breaking in below that. The market cap for this coin is $410 million market cap. The price today is 0.0064. Now, we most recently, a few days ago, we saw Turbo Meme Coin pump up about 100% in a matter of 2 days. It went from 0.004 all the way to 0.008. We doubled our money in a matter of 2 or 3 days. That was excellent. We took profits because, like I say, whenever you see this thing go up, then you know, based on the history and the characteristics of Turbo Meme Coin, take a little bit of profits. You ain't got to take everything out. Take about half out, and just in case Turbo want to get cute and want to continue to pump and run up another 100%, then we'll still have a little skin in the game because we only took half profits out. So You kind of want to play it in the medium when you're taking profits. You never want to take everything out, because when altcoin season comes, when these coins really start to pump, these things could pump for days and days and days. So that's how we played it. We took half out, let it sit back. We see Turbo is had a little bit of a pullback. When it pulled back, boom, we take that 50% that we took out. Now we put it back in. We're buying in more coins. We have a larger position now because we took profits. We got back in at a lower rate, and we got back with a lot more coins. So the next time Turbo pump, we're going to make even much more money. That's how you dominate a cryptocurrency bull market. So currently, Turbo is 0.0064. We're expecting Turbo to break that resistance level that it's been getting rejected at. Turbo has constantly been getting rejected at the 1 cent mark. For some reason, Turbo could just not break the 1 penny mark. We're expecting Turbo to break that 1 penny mark over the next week. We know the Bitcoin convention is coming up in the next couple of days. We're expecting altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth and so on to start to pump. We're expecting this convention to be a positive catalyst for the entire cryptocurrency market. So I'm expecting Turbo to spread its wings, stick its chest out, and scale above that 1 penny mark. So we call Turbo a price prediction of 10 cent. If we get to 10 cent from the price that it's at right now, 0.006, then that is a clear 16x. Like I say, we've been in this coin for such a long time, but for those of you who's getting in right now, 0.006, we got a price prediction of a minimum of 10 cent. That's a 16x. That's an excellent number, an outstanding multiplier for any particular coin. But we understand that Turbo is a meme coin. Meme coins will be pumping. Meme coins have already shown that this cycle is meme coin friendly. So can Turbo do more than a 16x? You better believe it. Turbo can do a 20x, 25x, 30x. Sky is the limit for a coin like Turbo coin. The community is outstanding. The community is growing by leaps and by bounds. Every time you look up, there's another platform, there's another community group that is created talking about the Turbo team, so forth and so on. So Turbo is a great meme coin. Meme coins will be continuing to pump this particular cycle. We know we are still early. Altcoin season has not even kicked in yet, and we've seen these meme coins really do amazing things. So just imagine when altcoin season really kick in. We're just now in quarter three. We have not even entered quarter four yet. We're still 2014. We still haven't even got to the year after the Bitcoin halving. Now we understand from all the other previous three Bitcoin cycles, Bitcoin halving cycles, always the year after the Bitcoin halving is when these coins really start to explode, is when these crazy parabolic runs really kick in. Well, we have seen some explosive runs already, and we're only a few months after the Bitcoin halving. That's why I'm saying this is going to be an amazing, outstanding super cycle. Our portfolios are really going to explode. They're really going to be multiplying by great numbers. You guys are going to be seeing your portfolio register into crazy numbers that you probably have never seen before. Financial freedom is going to be hit. New cryptocurrency millionaires are going to be hit. You know, everybody over there in Patreon, you know, you guys already have the plays. You guys are running the plays. Patience, patience, patience is what I've been pushing. You know, just relax. Stick to the course. The fundamentals are locked in. Our patience levels are locked in. Our bags are packed. Because like I say, when that doggone chauffeur come to the front door and knock on your door and ask, are you ready? You want to be like, yep, I'm ready. My bags are packed. I'm out of here. You do not want to be that person to say, I'm not ready. Can you give me a minute? Because I have to pack my bags. You do not want to be sitting around waiting till 2028 to the next Bitcoin halving and you still trying to get your affairs ready. You still trying to pack your bags. 2024, 2025, you want to be taking advantage of the opportunity that is right here before you at this particular time. That's why I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. I would love to hold your hand and give you a little bit of guidance if that is what you need. We have a great community of like-minded folks over there who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that encouragement. coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.